Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to freeze selected cells here in Excel. This is really simple. I'm going to try to explain as quick as possible. So let's start. Right, so the first thing that we are going to do is to press on view. And now, as you can see, we have this option which says freeze panes, right? So we have a few options. I'm going to show you each one. As you can see in the top, I have these three cells. If I want them to continue appearing, even if I scroll down, the only thing that I have to do is to select them. And now I'm going to press on freeze top row. Now, as you can see, if I continue scrolling, there's no problem. They are going to still appear on the top, right? If I want them to disappear, the only thing that I have to do is to press again and unfreeze panes. We have a really similar option with this column. And now I'm going to do the same, but with this file. So as you can see, I'm going to select it and I'm going to press on freeze first column. So as you can see, if I scroll to the sides, it is going to keep appearing. There's something important right here that you have to know, that if you want, that you have to put it in the first file right here, because if not, it is going to freeze this empty file. Every time that you want them to stop appearing, the only thing that you have to do is press on freeze panes, and now it is going to continue working as always. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.